Florida's COVID-19 hospitalizations are setting a pandemic record, even higher than they were a year ago before vaccines were available. The state now has high or substantial community transmission in every county. And the mayor of Broward County, Florida, Steve Geller, is here with more on this. Mayor Geller, thanks so much for being here. I know it's a busy time for you. Dade and Broward County, they're now leading the nation in hospitalizations right now, and COVID cases are doubling roughly every 10 days. So what are you seeing there in Broward County right now, and what are your biggest concerns?
It's catastrophic. Florida is currently around 24% of the national deaths. Our numbers are going up geometrically. If you look at the cases per 100,000, which should be under 10, June 15th, we were at 6. July 1, we were 14. July 15th, we were 37. July 30, we were 85, and Monday we were at 94. And remember, anything over 10 is considered out of control. They're going up maybe 10, 11 days or so. They're doubling. There's a completely different group of people that are being hospitalized now. First wave, it was people over 60, 70, 80, 90. Now the majority of them are between 25 and 55, and 70% are under 65. The reason for that is the vaccine works. It's keeping people that are vaccinated out of the hospital, and 95% of people over 65 in Broward County have been vaccinated. Broward, remember, is, there's a county, we're about 2 million people. We're the largest Democratic county. 9 county commissioners, all 9 of us are Democrats. So we do have one of the highest vaccination rates in the state of Florida. And one of our big problems, they keep telling people who say, well, I don't want to be vaccinated. At just one of our children's hospitals, Joe DiMaggio Children's Hospital, there are 11 children that have been hospitalized. In July, we had about 200 that went to the pediatric emergency room. And so what I'm telling people is, if you're not going to be vaccinated to protect yourself, get vaccinated to protect your friends, family, community, the country, do the patriotic thing. And if all of that isn't enough, get vaccinated to protect the children.
And so let's talk about the children, because there's a lot of concern. As you mentioned, the Delta variant seems to be affecting younger people more, in addition to the fact that a lot of them cannot get vaccinated yet. In that context, Broward County School District is now reversing their decision to require masks in classrooms after Governor DeSantis issued an executive order preventing mask mandates in schools and threatening to withhold funding from schools that implement them. What do you make of that?
What do I make of it? Obviously, I'm against it. The Florida governor, Florida legislature consistently tell the federal government, please don't pass national laws, because what works in New York or California doesn't work in Montana or North Dakota. But when we go to the Florida legislature, the Florida governor, and say, we agree with you, but what works in Bradford County, population under 30,000, doesn't work in Broward County, population over 2 million. They basically tell us, well, no, the federal government is too big and local governments are too small. But the state, we're Goldilocks. We have all knowledge, and you should listen to us. I was in the legislature for 20 years. That's just not the case. I'm hoping that they will permit local governments to take actions to affect locally. We'd like the ability to do mask mandates. I do not want to do another shutdown. That's not on the table. But if we're going to protect people without doing a shutdown, we would at least like the opportunity for mask mandates. And there has to be some consideration to what some local governments are doing, which is to require vaccinations to get into certain places. The governor and the legislature passed a law preventing requiring proof of vaccination. I just think that's wrong.
All right, Mayor Geller, we so appreciate your time today, and we wish you good luck in fighting this virus. Thank you.
Thank you, and I appreciate your time.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.